Hey, this is Dr. Robert Mickley. We have a course coming up this Friday, and I just wanted to review the first hands-on case we're going to be doing on Sunday. So Friday is going to be our didactic session, where we're going to discuss the basics of implantology, extractions, bone healing, and bone grafting. And then on Sunday, we'll get into some of the hands-on with models as well as a live patient. So, without further ado, this is our first case. Patient came to us wearing a upper denture for many years and just wanted a fixed solution. So patient both with and without her partial denture in. And as you see, she's, again, been wearing it in function and it's been working for her, but again, just getting tired of a removable solution. Let's start without her denture in, and obviously it's just not the way she'd like to look in general. So when we have the denture out, we see that we've got really good thick tissue on top, and we'll see in the CT scan we've got some good bone, and we will give this young lady a nice fixed case. This were the intraoral scans we took, and let's bring it over to Blue Sky Plan, where we have put that all together. So this is her CT scan, and what we've done, and we do with all of our surgeries, is we will overlay the intraoral scan on top of the CT, and this is done nowadays with, in most cases, with the Blue Sky Plan AI. We'll just simply drag and drop this on, and we'll lock those into place. As long as they're not too much metal, they work really, really well automatically. And we check that by just seeing the outlines of these, and just seeing a nice tight match between the teeth. We can see in the cross sections, as well as the mesh. That gives it a nice mesh. We know that our guide is going to be accurate. So then what we'll do is we'll take a scan with your denture on, and that just gives a bit more or less a wax up of where those teeth are going to end up. And we'll use that as a general guide as to where we want the teeth to be. We can see the outlines for those as well in the cross section, so we know where our teeth are going. So from that we should know where our implants are going. So what we did next is we overlaid implants on top of where these teeth will be exiting from, and we can turn off our skull. Now we blow up in real speed, and we see exactly the exits of these. So we'd like to make a screw retained restoration. That's going to be our plan. We're going to get her into first molar occlusion, although she has a second molar here. She'd like to just be her first molar occlusion going forward. And that'll be our case. Once we had everything set up, we can now take away the teeth, put on a surgical guide which we designed, and we're going to go through how to plan that as well. Leave ourselves little notes so we remember what size implants we're using on each site. We'll get that printed, and it should be a pretty straightforward surgery. And for those licensed in New York, you will be more than welcome with my guidance. You'll have to put these implants in yourself, and we'll split those up among the participants. It's a small course, so if you're there and you have a New York license, you have an excellent opportunity to place implants live on a patient. And we're looking forward to seeing you.